welcome to Adam Toys. Hi guys, it's Adam Toys here. And
what are we going to be doing, Adam?
we're going to make a paper airplane.
That's right, guys.
And we're going to color it.
Yeah, we're going to be
Color
making
pencil.
a paper airplane, and we're going to be showing you how to make it. Okay, so if you want to learn, we've got it right here. We're going to be making it, and Adam's going to be coloring it.
Yep.
Okay, so let's get started.
Okay.
So first step is you're going to get the left side of the paper corner, the top left corner, and fold it like this. Put it into the middle. Okay, fold it into the middle. Make it like this, and then get the right side of the corner and do the same. Put it into the middle.
Listen to him, guys. If you can't do it, if you can't do this at home, tell your parents to do it.
Okay, so once you have both
All your
sides
brothers.
of the corners folded like this, you're going to open them again, and then from the right side of the top right corner, you're going to fold it to the other side like that. Okay, so you have the paper like this. You're going to want to fold it to the other side on the right, and then the left side is, you're going to put it like this. Same. Left side, you're going to do it same as the right side. Put it like this, just like that. Okay, so it's like that again. So guys, now that we have both of the corners like this, so one, the other one, put like this, we're going to make it fold in half. So we're going to fold it in half, just like this. Fold it in half. Yep, and once that's done, then we get this bit and put it like this. I'm gonna get this bit, put it like that. Make sure it matches with the other side. Do the same as well for the other side, for this side. Same. Turn it around. Make sure it matches with the other side. Don't worry, Adam. You don't need to see my face. Okay, so both sides is done. Yep. And now, so I've got this and I've got the other side. So once that's done, we're going to fold it again. So it goes to the end of the paper like this.
Yeah, left.
Like this.
Left. You hold that side, and then it flows away left.
And then fold it. There, done. Okay, and then do the same with the other side, this side. Fold it.
Kids, don't do this in home. You have to tell a grown-up to do it. If you can't do it, tell a grown-up.
If you can't do it, then you can get help from a grown-up.
Or your brothers,
sisters, anybody you have at home.
Your uncles.
Yep. Okay, so that's done. I've folded it now, and this bit is where you can hold it. Hold the paper airplane like this. You can hold it, and we're going to test it out right now. Let's check it out. Oh no! We have to color it, guys. We have to color it. Let's get started. All right, Adam. You can do whatever color you like.
You have
Whichever.
You have to sellotape this.
No, it's okay. You can do whatever you like. You can do whichever color you like. Guys, when Adam is done coloring, we'll be right back and we'll show you how it looks. Okay?
Yep.
So guys, we're coloring in now. I'm just helping Adam do one side of it because it takes quite a while. So
yeah, it takes a long time.
yeah. So this side Adam has done red.
Yeah.
And this side I'm going to do blue. And what's going to go this side?
This side is going to be dark blue.
Okay. So we're still coloring in.
It takes a long time usually. I already finished my red side.
Yeah, because I'm doing two sides. That's why. Like two of these sides.
I'm doing one side. Okay. I'm done this. So I'm gonna do I'm doing the dark blue, guys. Look. Dark blue. Do dark blue. Now.
So guys, you can do it with whatever you have. So yeah, felt tips, pens. What else, Adam?
Some coloring pens.
Coloring pens, pencils.
Yeah.
Even paint. Yeah.
Yeah, even
you can paint. If you guys are enjoying watching our videos, please hit the subscribe button.
Yep.
And give us a like as well.
Yeah, because
we really appreciate it. Yeah, Adam wants to. What do you want to get? The play button.
Yeah, so many YouTubers have play buttons. Do you know, guys?
And you want the play button?
Yeah, they have so many than us. We don't even have play buttons. So, guys, tell everyone. Yeah, tell every kid in this planet to subscribe our video.
Okay. Okay, and I'm done with my side. I've done light blue here. You've done red. And on this side you're going to do dark blue. Yeah? Okay. Where should we test it out? Where should we test the...
Okay, guys.
We're almost done.
Yeah, almost, like nearly.
Yep. This is how it looks.
Takes a long time for me to do it, isn't it, guys? So that's why he helped me.
By the way, guys, if you don't know, I am Adam's brother.
Yep.
And I do the videoing, recording.
Yeah, he does the recording of all of my videos.
Yeah.
The egg video, the big Avengers egg video, and he records.
Yeah, that was fun, wasn't it?
Yeah, and the Spider-Man egg video.
Okay, so let's finish it. We're going to be
We're going to do a boat video.
Yeah, boat video. Nearly done. So Adam, where do you want to test it out? The plane.
After color.
Yeah, where do you want to test it out? Where do you want to throw it?
Outside.
Want to throw it outside?
Yeah, that okay. But not outside.
Not outside? Why?
Yeah, because do you remember when we threw the last airplane? He went through the...
He went out of our garden?
Yeah.
Oh. Maybe we will not throw it like so high. Okay, let's finish it.
And Abu helped too. He threw it so high. And you even did too. Okay, guys. it is finished.
Let's
and,
see.
And
Wait, it's not folded properly. Let me fold it. Okay.
okay, guys,
You see? Look at it.
we are finished. Look at it. And look
That's how it
at
looks. And inside is red, light blue, dark blue here.
Yeah.
Okay, give it a thumbs up if you like it.
Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah, if you like it.
Where you want to go test it out? Where we go to?
Click the bell button.
Yeah, click. Oh, we don't have a bell button now. Okay, so we're going to go test it out somewhere. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, we're doing it now, and we're in the garden area. Let's do it, come on.
Ooh!
One more shot.
Okay, you're gonna throw it now.
Yeah! One more. What?
Throw it.
You didn't want to check it.
I did, I have it here. I have
No,
it
the
with me.
big one.
No, it's okay. It's this one I'm talking about. Okay, go on. Whoa!
One more time.
Woo! 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay, 3, 2, 1. Whoa! That went super fast.
3, 2, 1, go!
Whoa!
Guys, that was cool. It went over there and my brother got it back.
Yeah. Yeah.
First, our birds are gonna take it. It was there for a long time. Then, thank you for watching the airplane video. Bye!
Woo!
Yeah! Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Adam Toys for more fun!